In today's video, I'm going to show you how to mine MeowCoin in Windows with a Core Wallet and in HiveOS. Let's get into it. The first thing we are going to do in Windows is we are going to go to the MeowCoin official website. The link will be in the description. We're going to scroll down and click on MEWC Wallet. And then we are going to click download the MeowCoin Core Wallet. A Core Wallet is different than other wallets such as Exodus or Crypto.com DeFi wallets in that it needs to sync to the blockchain. Once on the official GitHub page, we're going to scroll down to the win64.zip. We're going to select this and download it to your desktop or whatever folder you want to keep your Core Wallet in. I do it on the desktop because it's easier for me to use and find. After the file has downloaded, right-click the file, extract all, and then click extract. If you do not have a program to unzip files or extract files, I will leave a link to WinRAR in the description. Next, we are going to open the MeowCoin application. It will have the picture of the cat. Double click. If you get a Windows protected your PC box, click more info and run anyway. Then it's going to give you some information about MeowCoin's Core Wallet needing to download the entire MeowCoin blockchain to your PC. It lets you choose the default directory or a custom directory. Once you know where you want to store this file, just simply hit OK. Now we're going to set up our wallet. Since this is the first time that we are setting up a MeowCoin wallet, we will click Generate. When we click Generate, it's going to give us our seed phrase. We need to keep this in a very important place. We do not need to share this information with anyone. This is a test account, so this will be deleted right after this video. Next, you can put in a recovery passphrase. This will help you in recovering your account. You don't have to, but you can. Whatever this passphrase is, you will want to write this down as well. If you happen to come down and click Generate, you will keep generating new seed phrase words. So if you do click Generate, you want to go back and make sure that you note what these new words are, because these are your words that you're going to need to get into your wallet. Once you're done, click Import. If you get a pop-up window from Windows, just say allow access. All right, now we have to encrypt our wallet with a passphrase. It says that you can use 10 or more random characters or 8 or more words. So let's enter this in and then confirm. Next, we will get a warning letting us know that MeowCoin needs to completely sync with the blockchain, and the balances may be off until that sync is complete. So you can click hide. Our MeowCoin wallet is now set up. So let's make this larger. What we want to do now is get our receive address so that we can set up a miner to mine MeowCoin to our wallet. So we're going to come to the receive section. Now we are simply going to select request payment. And this is our address so that we can mine to this wallet. What we're going to do is copy the address. And now we're going to take this address and put it inside the miner that we're going to be using. Next, we need to download a miner. The miner that we're going to be using today is T-Rex. The link will be in the description. You will scroll down. And because we are mining in Windows, you are going to select the win.zip file. Select, download. After downloading the miner, we will locate the miner. Mine is on the desktop. We will right-click, extract all, and extract this miner to this location. If you do not have a program to unzip files, I will leave a link to WinRAR in the description. Now, inside this folder are going to be pre-made bat files that the miner developer has created. You can edit one of these files so that we can mine MeowCoin, or we can just simply create one. The first thing we're going to need to do is to go to mining pool stats. I will have a link to the website in the description. Once you get here, you'll come to the search box. You will type in MeowCoin. All of these pools will come up. I'm just simply going to select the first one, rPlant. When you come into rPlant, on the left-hand side, it's going to have the different coins that this pool mines. We are looking for MeowCoin. Come down, select MeowCoin. Now we're going to scroll down to connect. This is going to walk us through step by step on setting up our bat file. We're going to come down to miner config, drop down T-Rex, because we downloaded the T-Rex miner. Operating system, I'm using Windows. The nearest stratum, I'm in the USA, so I'm going to choose America. Our wallet address, that's what we just copied from the wallet, but if you need to go back to MeowCoin, copy address, come back to the pool, and right-click paste. The next box, we're going to enter a worker name. Simply put OC Miner 1, and the other box we don't need to worry about. The important information is the miner script. So we are going to highlight all of this, right-click, copy. Now we are going to go back to the T-Rex folder. We're going to right-click, new text document. Don't worry about the name of this text document. Just simply double-click, open it, paste. Now we have almost created the bat file. We just simply need to save it. Come up to File, Save As, and the name we can put Meow. You can put whatever you want. MeowCoin, you know. At the end, you need to put .bat. The next important step is under the Save As type, click the drop down and click All Files. Finally, click Save. You can exit this out. Now we want to look for the file we just created, which is right here, MeowCoin. Double click, and we are now mining MeowCoin in Windows. To mine MeowCoin in HiveOS, we are going to log into our HiveOS account, go into our farm, select wallets, add a wallet, and now we are going to type in the coin ticker. MeowCoin's coin ticker is just behind the name, MEWC. So we'll go back to HiveOS, MEWC. There happens to be one in here, but if there wasn't, then there would be a button that you could click to create. So we're going to select that. Now we need our MeowCoin address. We're going to go back to MeowCoin. This is our address. We're just simply going to copy it. Go back to HiveOS. Right click, paste. Next, we are going to name our wallet. This is a MeowCoin Core Wallet. After you name it, whatever you want, go to create. And now we have created our MeowCoin wallet. Next, we want to create a flight sheet for MeowCoin. So come up to Flight Sheets. We're going to select our coin ticker. That is MEW, there it is, MEWC. Our wallet, that's the wallet we just created. Our pool, and whenever HiveOS has coins that are already in the pre-configured in HiveOS, it will also put pools in here. Now, there are other pools that you can select from. You can go to mining pool stats. Link will be in the description, and you can select whichever pool you may want to mine to. However, if you just want to mine to the pool that is already pre-configured, you select dog pool, and I'm in the US, so I'm going to select the US. I'm going to select apply. Next, we're going to select our miner. We are going to be using the T-Rex miner for MeowCoin. Select T-Rex. And finally, we are going to name this flight sheet. So this is MeowCoin. And I like to put the name of the pool that we are mining to. And then create flight sheet. One quick note, if you happen to want to mine to another pool other than the ones that are listed in HiveOS, what you can do is create a new flight sheet. So we would MEWC for MeowCoin, select our wallet, MeowCoin. Now under the pool, instead of selecting dog pool, we would select configure and miner. Next, we would select our miner, and that's going to be T-Rex again. Once we select our miner, we're then going to click Setup Miner Config. The first step is to choose the hash algorithm. MeowCoin uses Capal. And the way you can find this out is whenever you come back over to mining pool stats, you will see right under the name Capal. All right. Next, we're going to click this little I next to wallet template, and we're simply going to click the percent wallet percent. Next, we're going to do the same thing in worker name and have our worker name in there. Finally, this is the last piece that we need when configuring our miner this way, is we need the pool URL. So we go back to our mining pool stats. Again, we typed in MeowCoin, it brought up all the pools. And let's say that we want to mine to our plant, like we did whenever we set this up in Windows. We go back, this was our file that we created with our Windows, our .bat file. The pool URL starts just after the -o and ends before the -u. So you will copy after the space from -o starting with S, stratum all the way over. That's the pool URL. And then this is the port number 17078. Highlight that, right click, copy, go back to HiveOS, right click, paste. Next thing you're going to do is come down and click apply changes. Now we're going to name this flight sheet MeowCoin, and this was our plant pool. And then create flight sheet. After creating our flight sheet, we scroll up. We want to send this flight sheet to a worker or all of our workers. Do the drop-down box for select worker. Select the worker that you want to send this flight sheet to. When that comes up, click the flight sheet section. Scroll down. The first one is going to be the flight sheet that your miner is currently on. Scroll down and you will see the 2 MeowCoin flight sheets that we just created. To the right, you'll see a rocket. Whichever one we want to send to our miner, we simply click the rocket and the worker is updated with the newest flight sheet. Takes it a few minutes and it'll be up and mining MeowCoin in HiveOS. And that's how we mine MeowCoin in Windows and HiveOS. Thanks for watching. We'll see you in the next one.